Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So today I got Galaxy A71, and finally I have found the updated ported ROM of the One UI 6 and Android 14 for the Galaxy A71. This is a good ROM like based on the latest high-end Samsung devices firmware. This ROM is ported from the flagship Galaxy S23 for the Galaxy A71. The features that we are getting with the ROM is high-end animations, always-on display clock transition support, native live blur support, picture remaster support, object, shadow, and reflection eraser support, image clipper support, Samsung DeX support, yes, that is good, camera privacy toggle support, slight debloat. The ROM is slight debloated. ADB is enabled at boot. And the good thing is play integrity fix is included in this ROM, but the root is must requires. The Bluetooth library patch is included with the ROM, but root must requires. This Bluetooth library patcher will auto reconnect the Bluetooth connected devices like after restarting the mobile phone or turning on the aeroplane mode and turning it off again. Sometimes custom ROM do not reconnect the Bluetooth connected devices. When this Bluetooth library patcher will help to reconnect the connected Bluetooth devices. The KnoxPatch is implemented in system framework, and we are getting like extra modes, allows secure screenshot, the unlock frame per second, which will help to play games and to play or to record like screen recording, etc. And also the extra country seal code features, like we are having call recording with the ROM, network speed in status bar, and quick switch to secure folder. This is a very good ROM working on Galaxy A71, and I must say that you will in love with the mobile phone once again. The phone that was launched like 2-3 years ago, Galaxy A71, after flashing the One UI 6, the Android 14 ROM, then you're gonna love it. The camera features that is working absolutely fine. We are getting the gallery features that coming with the One UI 6 features, like latest features that are working, yes, absolutely fine with the Galaxy A71. I will be bringing the tutorial video how to flash this ROM on Galaxy A71 soon on my this channel, that is BGK Creation. So stick with my channel by subscribing it, click or tap the bell icon, stay connected with me, and do not forget to watch the video those who are having Galaxy A71.